multiplications of degrees of a polynomial, again the number of terms in a polynomial we discussed. Is that no? Today now we are discussing about the zeros of a polynomial. So zeros of a polynomial we have to know means. So first if you want to be a zero of a polynomial means, suppose if you take as an any value for that. So now I am taking as an a polynomial p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. So I am taking as an a p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. So I has to take these values of, now I have to find out the factors of this one. So if I find out the factors for this one, so first we will listen another problem. See now here, now we want to prove that zeros of a polynomial means p of x equal to 0 we want. P of x equal to 0 1 means is p of x equal to x plus 5. So here p of x equal to x plus 5 means now we have to take as an p of 0. So this polynomial for replacing by x, so which value if you keep the x value we have to keep the minus 5 means we will get this polynomial as an 0. Suppose see now here by replacing x equal to minus 5. Now in the x place we have to keep as an minus 5.
మేడం ఒక టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అయితే ఆడే ఉంటాయి. రివర్స్
See now by replacing x equal to minus 5. Now see here p of x place we have to keep as an minus So here P of x equal to 0, we had to prove that here. So 0 of a polynomial means first we had to prove that P of x equal to 0. So here P of x equal to, given the polynomial, what that polynomial given, P of x equal to x plus 5. So in x plus 5, if we keep the x value as an a minus 5, then only this polynomial will become as an a 0. So we have to take as an a x value by replacing the minus 5. So by replacing x equal to minus 5. If you replace minus 5, so P of minus 5 equal to minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now this polynomial become as an a 0. So P of x equal to 0. Same like that only. Now here we have to check that. So here it is. We will get as an a. Suppose if you take here. So here quadratic is here in the this is a linear polynomial, this is a quadratic polynomial. So why? Because here the power is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. So we have to find out this one as a factors now. See, 4 means if you find out the factors means 1 into 4. Again 2 into 2. Again 4 into 1. If you take here 1 into 4 means in the middle term, what is there here? Plus 5x is there. Plus 5x is there. So, if you take 2 into 2 means plus 2 means here 4 will come. So, this factor is not possible for this middle term. Yes or no? So, it won't be possible. Next, we have to check as a 1 into 4. 1 into 4 means plus 1 plus 4 means here 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So, 5x it is possible for us. So we can take as an a plus 1 and 4. Okay, plus 4. P of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. So here I am taking as an a factor x 4x. So plus x plus 4 again x into 4 4x. Okay. Now so x square plus here 5x place we had to take అమ్మ రివర్స్ ఏం లేదు నాన్న మీరే ఒకసారి రివర్స్ ఉన్నారేమో చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఓకేనా రివర్స్ అయితే ఏం లేదు నాకు క్లియర్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది plus 4x plus 4. So I am taking here x as a common, x plus 1 plus here I am taking as a 4. Why? Because here 4 is a common, here x is a common. So 4x plus 1. So again if I multiplied this one means again this term only we will come. X into x square, x into 1, x plus 4 into x, 4x again plus 4 into 1, 4. So here x plus 1 and x plus 4. How many factors here I got? 2 I got. So x plus 1, no? X plus 4. So if I replace in the x place as an a minus 1, again here I replace as an a minus 4. This problem we will get as an a polynomial. P of x equal to 0. Okay. Suppose if you take any other number, it is possible or not possible. Next problem we will see. Now see that definition for this one. Suppose r of t equals to, now I am taking as a polynomial, r of t equals to t minus 1. So t minus 1 means I am in the taking as a t equal to 1. Now by replacing t equals to 1. r of 1 equal to 1 minus 1, r of 1 equal to 0. So this condition is becoming as an 0. So we can say that this is an 0 of the polynomial r of t. 0 of a polynomial r of t. Okay. See, now generally we can say that 0 of a polynomial, 0 of a polynomial p of x is the value of x for which p of x equal to 0. See, now here 0 of a polynomial p of x is the value of x. So here we want the p of 0, p of x equal to 0 means that what value the given in that of x. We have to check that one. If that one is satisfied, p of x equal to 0 will be satisfied. Suppose if you take here r of t equal to t minus 1 taken. Now suppose if you are replacing t equal to minus 1, r of minus 1 equal to minus 1 minus 1, r of minus 1 equal to minus 2. So it is a 0 of a polynomial? No. Why? Because here answer we get that minus 2. So 0 of a polynomial 1 means p of x equal to 0 we want. So this is not a 0 of a polynomial. So r of t is not a 0 of a polynomial. Okay. So 0 of a polynomial we want means p of x is a value of x. P of x polynomial value of x depend ayi untadi. Aa value p of x equal to 0 ayindante we can say that it is an 0 of a polynomial. See now here example 1. So here they only given in the question. See now once here p of x, the polynomial we can say that we represent as an p of x. P of x equal to x plus 2. So they ask for us to find out that p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1 and p of minus 2. What are the zeros of the polynomial of x plus 2? So x plus 2, how many zeros of a polynomial are satisfied for the given conditions? What are they asked to find out? P of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1 they ask. So now I am now given what they gave, p of x equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 they given. So now I am replacing that for the question they gave, find out p of 1, p of 2 and p of minus 1. So in the p of x place, in x place we have to substitute as an 1, again 2, again minus 1. So here we are checking this all. Which one will is possible for the 0 of a polynomial? Now we will check. Now see here. Replace by, so here plus 2 is there. So we will replace for minus 2 only. This polynomial will become as an 0. Yes or no? But we are not keeping as an minus 2. Why? Because here the question only we are given that p of 1 they given. So we have to replace as an 1. So first one 1. So p of 1 we have to substitute. So p of 1 equals to, in x place we have to substitute by replacing by x. So p of 1 equal to 1 plus 2. So p of 1 equals to 1 plus 2, 3. Again next one they ask. Replace by x equal to 2. So we have to replace as an 2. అమ్మ స్క్రీన్ మీద వచ్చారు చూడమ్మా, తులసి స్క్రీన్ మీద ఉన్న కిందికి వచ్చేసే. సుహాసిని మేడం, అమ్మాయిని తులసిని రిమూవ్ చేసేయండి మేడం. So replace by x equal to 2. P of 2 they given. So first one is completed. Now second one I am checking. So P of 2 equals to 2 plus 2. So P of 2 equals to 4. అమ్మా ప్లీజ్ మీరు స్క్రీన్ పైకి రావద్దండి. గెలాక్సీ J2 ఎవరో ప్లీజ్ స్క్రీన్ మీకు ఎవరు రావద్దండి. స్క్రీన్ గట్టిగా టచ్ చేస్తే మీరు స్క్రీన్ మీదకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. స్క్రీన్ టచ్ చేయొద్దు. Okay, next again they given in the question P of -1. So replace by x equal to -1. So P of -1 equal to -1 plus 2. P of -1 equal to 1. Again next one P of -2 they gave. Replace by x equal to -2. So P of -2 equal to -2 plus 2. So P of -2 equal to 0. So here x value -2 is satisfied for us. It is an polynomial. అమ్మా క్లాస్ డిస్కంటిన్యూ అయిపోతే మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ అయిపోండి అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ జూమ్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వండి. సో రీప్లేస్ బై x equal to -2. P of -2 equal to -2 plus 2. P of -2 equal to 0. So here we get as an so final conclusion what we have to say. Therefore 1 comma 2 comma -1 are not the zero of a polynomial, are not the zeros of the polynomial. X plus 2, but -2 is the zero of the polynomial. So what the given in the question, that values we had to substitute in the P of x values we had to substitute, and which one is suitable for us we had to write down. So here -2 is the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial. So P of 1 is not a polynomial and P of 2 is not a polynomial. P of -1 is not a polynomial. Only P of -2 is the zero of the polynomial. So next problem we will see now. So here also they ask that, what they ask? Find a zero of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1 they ask. So now here we have to find out this question. P of x equal to 0 we have to take. So P of x equal to 3x plus 1. So P of x equal to 0 we have to do. So now here, so 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x equal to minus 1, it moves from the left hand to the right hand side, we are getting minus 1. Plus 1 we will get minus 1. So same as it is, only here 3x is there. In the multiplication it is there. So when it moves from the left hand side to the right hand side, it will become as an division. So minus x value we will get x equal to minus 1 by 3. X equal to minus 1 by 3. X equal to minus 1 by 3. So here now we will check this one. X equal to minus 1 by 3 is it is suitable for this one. It is a zero of a polynomial or not. Once we will check here. So 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. So x value how much we get here? So by replace by x equal to minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So here plus 3 minus 3 will get cancel. So minus 1 plus 1 that equal to 0. So this is a p of x equal to 0 of a polynomial or not. So minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial of. So minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. Okay. So minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of a polynomial for 3x plus 1. So here minus 1 by 3 we substituted here in the x value, we get the 0 also. So this one is a polynomial is a 0 of a polynomial. asked verify whether 2 and 1 are the zeros of a polynomial for the p of x. So we given the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. They asked that verify these numbers, it is a polynomial or zero of a polynomial or not, we have to check. Okay. So given p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Now see here. So verify whether 2 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial or not, they ask. So we have to replace x value as a 2 and again x value as a 1. Okay. First replace by 2. So p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So here 2 square means 4. Again 3 to 6. Again plus 2. So plus 4 plus 2 it is an 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So p of 2 is an polynomial. Yes or no? Next we have to check 1.